What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is TheFranswah. I am the owner of TheFranswah Studio, and today we're going to be taking an in-depth look at SEO for your YouTube videos. We're going to be looking at titling, the description of your videos, and the tags that you're putting on your videos, how you can optimize them for more traffic. I don't want you to think that I'm some average bum doing this. I'm actually a community manager over at 137pm, which is a news brand for entrepreneurs and doers. 137pm is in the VaynerMedia spectrum, which is owned by Gary Vaynerchuk. I'm a professional at what I do, and my interest is in helping you guys actually get discovered on Google and YouTube search. I want to keep this video as simple as possible, even though SEO can get pretty complicated depending on the type of content that you create. We're first going to start by taking a look at titling. Titling has to be very simple. You want your titles to be direct, but also include as many searchable items as possible. For instance, if we take a look at my most recent Voicemeeter Banana video, you'll notice that the title is how to set up Voicemeeter Banana correctly. There are essentially four main parts to this title. We have the how-to portion, the setup, and Voicemeeter Banana. When someone goes onto Google and they're searching for Voicemeeter Banana, or they're looking for a guide on setting it up, they're going to search how to set up Voicemeeter Banana. If they don't search how to set up Voicemeeter Banana, they will at least search either setup, how to, Voicemeeter, or Banana. One of the four words will be used within their search. With an effective title and thumbnail combination, the more my video pops up in front of users and viewers and they click through into that video, the more my video will be shown when people search for those terms on Google and YouTube. There are three important elements to getting a click on your channel. One is the title. The second is creating a thumbnail that matches the title and the content of the video. And number three is having accurate and informative content that matches the title and thumbnail. If you have a perfect combination of all three of those elements, you will have not only high traffic, but you will have a high click-through rate, and you will have more impressions and more views or unique viewers to your channel. What I suggest doing when you go into creating a video is first establish what you want the title to be and establish how you're going to create the thumbnail. Then you can kind of form your video with those two things in mind. After you have your title together, we're ready to start working on the description of the video. The description of your video should reinforce two things. It should reinforce the title and the tags that are going to be on your video. What I mean by this is that when you're writing out the description, you want to make sure you're including words that you used in the title of the video, as well as words that you're going to use in the tags for this video. In a second, we'll talk about some strategies for creating tags for your videos, but you want to keep in mind that you're looking for reinforcement or duplicated terms for your title and tags within the description. We're going to go take a look at the Voicemeeter Banana video again and take a look at that description. The first part of this description is a quick summary of what the video is. The only Voicemeeter Banana setup guide you will need in 2021. The important words you want to focus on when you're looking at this description is Voicemeeter Banana, setup, guide, and 2021. Those words are all searchable on Google and YouTube. So when someone is using any combination of those words, it increases the chances that your video will pop up when they search for them in Google or YouTube. I also reinforce those same exact words by doing this cool little trick that you see directly below that. You'll see this in most of my how-to videos, this little bit in every single description. After this video, you will know the following. I use different titles that I would use for this video that could be potentially searched on the platform. Since I cover all four of those topics within the video, it's okay for me to include that within the description because it is accurate to the content that I have created. Now that we have the title and description out of the way, we're ready to move into the tags, which is probably the most important portion for search and discoverability. I go through the same process every time when I'm creating tags for my channel. I separate tags into four different categories. We have specific tags, compound tags, descriptive tags, and generic tags. By using these 4 categories, you should be able to get every searchable term that might be related to your video. More importantly, you will get the phrases that are going to be used in searches so that your video is more likely to pop up. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Voicemeeter Banana video once again, and I'll sort of explain this a bit more. The first category we're going to be looking at for tags are the specific tags. The specific tags are one-word tags that directly relate to the content. They're a little bit out of order in this video, but I will highlight the ones that are considered specific tags. TheFranswah, TheFranswah Studio, Voicemeeter, and Voicemeeter Banana are all of the specific tags in this video. These are the short tags that directly relate to the content. The next tags we're going to look at are the compound tags. Something to keep in mind when you're doing compound tags is you can take out the ofs, the ifs, the ands, etc. because YouTube pretty much just ignores those. The first compound tag that I always use is the title of the video. So we have the how to set up Voicemeeter Banana. Then I'm going to use any combination that I think will be frequently searched on YouTube. The next category we're going to talk about are the descriptive tags. So we want to make sure we have tags that explain what the video is. In this case, it's a setup video, it's a how-to video, it's a tutorial, and it's also a guide. So those are all of the descriptive tags for this video. And then the last bit of tags that I like to include in my videos are the content related tags. So any searchable terms that pop up within the content of the video or are related to the content of the video. So what we have is OBS, Discord, Streamlabs, Skype, TeamSpeak, and Zoom. These are all content related tags to the topic of my video. I hope you guys found some value in this video. If you did learn something, I would appreciate it if you left a like on this video and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. In this channel, we do a lot of content on audio, streaming, technology, and also advice for content creators. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. If you need any help with anything I mentioned in this video, I'm always willing to help you within my Guilded or Discord servers. If I'm not there, my community will do the best they can to assist you. You're also always welcome to reach out to me on Twitter at TheFranswah. And with that being said, guys, I do want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.